and butter. She is my bread and butter, not that. She is my bread and butter because in night, whenever I do not talk with her whole life, whole day, not all life, whole day, I cannot sleep. This is my big problem.
Okay.
Yeah, because nowadays I don't have a friend.
No, actually, you are not think that you should have the power of friendship.
No, 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 no. It's not like that. Just I focus in my goal. Okay, and I told you I have a friends. You can ask if you are in a different department. How can you make a friend? Like whenever I go to a party,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah,
and whenever like people like suppose that if you attend a marriage,
yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
so my focus is not eat disease over there. This is my first goal. Only just I meet peoples over there. I do not take food. Seriously, I never eat. Just I make peoples over there and ask some people, tell somebody something. Like if I know two and three members, uh, persons over there. Like somebody invited me. I
Yeah,
attended
yeah, yeah,
that party. So there is two and three people. Yeah, in his surrounding. And when I meet up with him, he also meet up two and three peoples. And so that is awkward for you, but it's not me. If I meet with him, so I ask some question to him.
okay. What?
Casual questions, not a big question. So that is a first meet, and we are little bit known each other. Understood? Then we meet second time. So he knows about me little bit. I also knows about him little bit. Then our connection will build up. So that is a process of connection.
Yeah,
And connection is the power of everything.
yeah, yeah. But how you know this person is met you in the future?
No, I can judge somebody is a beneficial for me or not. Just I meet randomly and my friend circle is not a tapori chap. First of all,
Okay.
they are they are a good. I am a local of Delhi, and if you stay in Delhi, so here is renting income lot. Okay, and Gujar community is dominating in Delhi.
Yeah,
If you know, yeah. So my friend circles and my village also Gujar community, and I have a many friends over there, and they told me, why you are going to office, blah blah blah, because they have a rented income. Okay,
yeah, yeah.